Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. I was just, getting LinkedIn. Got a cool new certification, so yeah. Adding it to my profile? No big deal though. But yeah, LinkedIn, who doesn't love it? It can actually be super useful for a handful of reasons. One of those being your job hunt. How, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. In this lesson, we'll cover why LinkedIn is important for you, how you can use LinkedIn to get a leg up in the job search, and optimizing your profile so recruiters can find you. Almost everyone is on LinkedIn. It's the social network of the professional world. According to a US news report, 95% of employers actually use LinkedIn to vet and find candidates. That's pretty much everyone. Let's check out how it can be a beneficial tool for you. Why LinkedIn is important. Many hiring managers will check out your LinkedIn profile as part of the application process, which means, along with your resume, it's a great way to make a good first impression. Remember, social proof is everything. On LinkedIn, you can build your professional brand. Talk about your successes, how you've learned from your failures, what your interests are, highlights of your past and present, and what your goals are for the future. There are hundreds of millions of users throughout the world, which means many can see your accomplishments, career moves, volunteer opportunities, education, and more. Plus, you can promote yourself and others. Every like, comment, or engagement can be an opportunity to help increase visibility. These social interactions can be huge movers in your professional life. Use LinkedIn for your job search. When it comes to actually finding jobs, LinkedIn is arguably the most powerful tool in the world. Actions you take on LinkedIn can help you stand out in a way that allows you to be actively recruited instead of searching for jobs yourself. Here are some ways LinkedIn can be your best friend. Finding jobs. LinkedIn has a huge library of available positions that you can search for by company or by job title. You'll also see your connections sharing open roles at their companies. Network and make connections. I cannot emphasize this enough. Network. Shane Jabari, nice to meet you. Shane Jabari, nice to meet you. Shane Jabari, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Shane Jabari, nice to meet you. Networking is huge. Make good connections, and you never know where they might lead. Check out our networking tips in our Networking 101 lesson. Interact with posts you're interested in. Share content, comment on current events, and engage with others. On LinkedIn, you can grow your following quickly, and recruiters or hiring managers will see your activity so you can stand out. The more you engage, the better. Get new skills via LinkedIn Learning. Looking to brush up on a few skills to add to your arsenal?
Nunchuck skills, bow hunting skills, computer hacking skills.
LinkedIn Learning has a great selection of courses from product management to marketing basics to graphic design and more. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile. For a while, I had a pretty bare bones profile myself, but I quickly saw the benefits of making some core updates that have really helped my career. Let's check out a few essentials. You want to set your profile up for two things. One, to make a positive impact on a hiring manager when they land on your profile. 2, to increase your findability when others are looking to fill roles. Start with the important stuff and make a good immediate impression. Your profile photo. Make it something that showcases who you are. It doesn't have to be overly professional, but might match the culture of the type of company you're going for. One key tip, make sure it's high quality enough that it's not pixelated or fuzzy when someone clicks into it. Also remember, this might not be the best place for an Instagram style thirst trap. Kevin, cover photo. Generally, people remember images more than anything. It's how we learn. It's science. Similar to your profile photo, you'll want an impactful cover photo. You can make it something that interests you, relates to something in your professional life, or whatever is going to make a positive impression. Your headline. This is often one of the first things seen on your profile, and it shows up when you appear in your search results. Consider how you can make an impact on those seeing you. Tell your story in the summary or about section. This is a great opportunity to showcase your story and what's important to you and your career. Get creative, build your brand here, experience. Showcase relevant skills, accomplishments, and keywords for each role you've held. Give enough detail and elaborate on anything you feel is necessary. You can also link past projects and articles that link to initiatives you've worked on. Add assessments, skills, or certifications where relevant to stand out. Give and get recommendations. These are a great way to build your own credibility and validate your past work. Overall, there's a lot you can do to stand out on LinkedIn. Don't shortchange it. It can be a powerful tool for your career in a handful of ways.